This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy questions on TTRS. The TTRS system intelligently adjusts question difficulty based on your performance. To keep questions manageable, prioritize accuracy over speed, especially when you are just starting out. Consistent, accurate practice signals to the system that you are mastering the current level, which helps maintain a comfortable learning pace. Remember, the goal is steady progress, not rushing through. To encourage easier questions, always strive for high accuracy in your responses. When you consistently answer correctly, TTRS recognizes your proficiency and is less likely to introduce significantly harder material. Resist the urge to rush, as this often leads to errors that can increase the perceived difficulty. Take your time, ensure each answer is correct, and always review any mistakes to reinforce proper learning. For effective practice, make sure to complete all assigned modules with care, ensuring no gaps in your understanding. The Review Mistakes feature is incredibly valuable. Use it frequently to solidify your learning and prevent recurring errors. Consider breaking your practice into shorter, focused sessions, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes at a time. This approach helps maintain concentration and improves retention of new concepts. Achieving long-term success with TTRS involves building a strong foundation in basic concepts. Remember, consistency in your practice is far more important than intense, infrequent sessions. Daily, steady effort will yield better results than sporadic, long periods of study. Celebrate every small improvement you make along the way. Acknowledging your progress keeps you motivated and engaged in your learning journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.